Hello and welcome to Rachel Schwinghammer's channel. 2021, we are bringing you New Year's resolutions. Woo-woo. It is the beginning of January and I have some resolutions. What are your resolutions? Leave a comment below. My husband and they are just going on a weekly date. Even if we had to go to a different level of our home. Have some coffee together, have the baby and have the kids, have them watch a movie or something. You do what you gotta do to make it work. Another resolution is just healthier goals. What do you have for your healthy goals? Do you like to go for a walk? Or you to go to the gym more? I'm gonna have exercise 3 times a week. I have it at about 1 to 2 right now. Exercise 3 times a week and lose some of my baby weight that I gained during pregnancy and a little bit after. So getting healthier will help with that. Starting a morning routine, I'd like to do the coffee, exercise, and devotions. God's really important to me in my life, so making sure that I do it bright and early in the morning. I often teach at 5 a.m., so I'd probably be doing exercise right after that. Fun projects I'd like to do next year is to dive a little bit more into some business ideas that I have. Goes hand in hand with becoming monetized eventually on YouTube. I'm excited for it, so if you like or subscribe or anything like that, it just greatly helps my channel. I would love to give you even more. So like and subscribe, it really means a lot to me. Or leave a comment. Thank you so much for all of that love. I appreciate it. I want to take the business of my LLC even farther. I want to teach others how to teach online. Yes, and so that's what my course will be about. I'm really excited about. Stay tuned. Some financial goals that I have or things to happen financially is to get a house. So I'm going to get a house this year, Lord willing. I say Lord willing because you never know, things could change. This year I'd like to buy a house with my husband. So we're prayerfully going forward with that. Financially, do more investing. I think that would be sweet. And kind of a side goal of mine is to go through many of the things before we move in my house, go through it and say, do I want this? I saw somebody have an idea if you take a box and then every day you put something in the box that you're not currently using. Like in the month, you get rid of it. And I've hit all of them. So what are some of the things that you're hoping to do this year? I hope that these gave you some ideas, form things in your life that you want to do even better. Something I want to get better at is overcoming myself, getting better at feeling forward and not being afraid to make mistakes and learning new skills. Listening to audiobooks I think will be really beneficial for me going forward, and taking charge in my own life with the goals and the dreams that I have. I think it's so important to continue going and get better and improve, and that can only really happen by taking risks, right? Trying to get better at something and not letting fear of failure hold us back and letting that stop us from the more that we were created to be doing. So welcome to my channel. I hope that you have a great day. You were great, so make it great. Goodbye.